Hi guys! Today is the media conference of ang mutya ng Section E. Kaya andito po kami ngayon sa Viva Studio sa Mataganian to prepare for the media con. And alam kong nag-send kayo ng mga questions for the cast sa Instagram ko. So sana nag-follow kayo sa Instagram ko. So ngayon tatanungin natin sa cast yung mga questions na sinendio at sasagutin nila lahat yun. Okay? So from JKTM_9704 for AJ, I really like your clothing style. Any great yet affordable clothing rental?
You guys should like go to thrift shops and pati sa mga online IG thrift shops din marami.
Okay.
Yeah. And may mga thrift shop events sa South, North. You couldn't find it on like IG lang or yeah, it's everywhere. You could research lang talaga.
Okay.
Just find your like style on Pinterest. Depende pa rin sa tao yung style eh. Hanapin mo sa Pinterest.
Fit check muna, fit check.
Fit check.
Media con fit check.
Isa talaga. Second question from _GenBCS, what challenge did you face while portraying your character?
Siguro pagiging makulit kasi mabel ako. Yes. Okay na yun.
Okay, so last question from _GenBCS friend, can you share a funny moment that happened sa set?
Ang dami eh.
One moment.
Funny moment? Siguro may scene doon na habulin si CNC JJ, tas medyo nadapa si CN. Ewan ko
blooper, hindi ko pa na-edit. So tignan natin kung ma-edit ko yung nagdapa si CN.
Medyo nadapa siya. And meron din yung the fight scene is really funny. Ang daming funny stuff na nangyayari doon. Abangan nyo na lang.
From JKTM_9704 for our David, what tips can you give in managing a calm, peace, and yet happy lifestyle?
Wow. Yet and happy lifestyle?
Yeah.
Una kong masasagot dyan is be in your own base, your own competition. You start comparing your life with someone else.
Yes, tama.
Only then will it be compromised. So, ayan, focus on yourself lang. Your own lane, your own pace dapat.
Very Lolo David.
Okay, from user 102906_ for Frost, what was your first reaction when you got the role of David in the series?
Upon receiving the role of David, nakabasa na ako at least 15 chapters of Mutya Section E. And David was already a favorite of mine. So because I like his introduction, I like na sobrang underdog ni David sa una. Tapos, na-appreciate ko rin na siya rin yung pinaka-matured. So,
very Frost.
Very.
I was very happy with it. It aligned with me.
Si Lara pala.
Hindi
ko kita mukha.
Pakita ko.
Ganda eh.
So,
Walang mukha na din, no? Oo eh. Sorry guys, Lara. Mga fans ako, mga nagtanong. Okay, go.
So I was very excited and I was really happy.
Last question from not_your Haven04 to Kuya Frost and Kuya Andre. How do you feel working with Direct Ted again? Pero siguro, parang hindi naman self-serving. How do you feel working together again with Andre?
It feels really good. Me and Andre have been talking about when our next project together is gonna be. We were thinking university series lang ba, pero we're happy na outside of that, project din kami together. And what more with Direct Ted? Actually guys, Direct Ted is the reason why kami ni Andre naging best friend kasama ni Marco.
Yes.
So maraming salamat
yung mga cast bonding.
Dahil sa cast bonding, sa workshop, hindi kami magiging Teo and best friend.
I'm sure kayong mga ulupong sa man this time.
Opo, may mga bago naman this time talaga.
Justin! Ano masasabi mo?
Ilang months na? Tsaka ano? From Raya.Lail, anong masasabi nila sa mga madaming sumusuporta sa kanila sa adaptation?
Super thankful and blessed kasi hindi namin po in-expect na ganito yung pagmamahal na ibibigay na sa amin. So super overwhelmed talaga kami. And thank you so much po and sana subaybayan niyo pa dahil marami talaga kaming pasabog na ipapakita sa inyo.
Okay, second question from Shania Hadel. What's the thing your character would definitely do but you definitely would not do in real life?
Mabuntis.
That's a good one.
Oo, hindi ka ganon.
True.
Hindi siya teenage mother. Pero from JU_Angelo, sorry, hindi ko ma-pronounce.
Yeah, sure.
How can you relate to the character in your sa personal life mo?
Very strong. Very strong siya and alam niya ano yung gusto
Kita
niyang
ka.
panindigan and she knows how to stand by her own, like herself.
Very you.
Very
in real life.
talaga
Very
talaga.
independent.
Yeah, true.
Strong, independent
Yes.
woman, Justin Lim.
Yeah, and Grace Miller.
Okay, so for Heart, from if_9, dito na ako sa likod Heart.
Okay.
Kay
Yeah,
Ate
better.
Heart, ano sa tingin niyo ang pagkapareho niyo ng character mo with character niya ni Ella? Anong pagkapareho niyong dalawa?
I feel like she really is truthfully very kind. Like, set aside yung mga gusto niyang i-control. She is kind in general. So I think that's me too.
Yes.
Wow.
Very loving heart. Second question from JKTM_9704 for Heart. How do you balance your career and studies at the same time? And what year na po kayo?
I'm in my 3rd year of college. So 1 year na lang, guys. I'm so happy. Pero I'm so grateful na Viva is very lenient with me. Because whenever we have shootings, like recently, I just had my final exams for this term. And they had me, like, I blocked off 1 week and they were okay with that. And I'm so happy. Thank you, Direct.
Remember, like, studies first.
Yes.
And then finally, from Joyous Maris, how does this series differ? Kasi you've done the other projects, right? How does this series differ from anything you've worked before?
I think this was my first time being a semi-contrabida, but in a nice way. So she's very different. She's very manipulative. So it's very different from the other characters I'm playing. Like, I'm funny. I'm just funny in general in other characters. So ayan.
Okay, thank you, Heart.
so
Ganda-ganda mo.
Kurt!
May mga questions yung fans from IG. From JKTM.
I like this.
0904 for Kurt. Anong current favorite movie mo? And meron ka bang mga movie recommendations?
Current favorite movie ko, mainly kasi ako sa horror, pero this kind of horror is different, yung The Substance.
Pwede nun.
Yeah.
Cannes Award winner yun.
I like the, yung message niya, yung lesson.
Paano mo nalaman yung Substance na yun? Dito yun mainstream
Yeah, sa TikTok po.
Sa TikTok. TikTok na lahat talaga.
TikToker.
Alright, guys, watch that. Mukhang manonominate si Demi Moore ng Best Actress dyan next year sa Oscars.
Really?
From _Jen.PCS, can you share a memorable experience from the set while filming the movie?
Madami laging memorable for me, pero yung bonding namin sa standby and even sa set, yung tawanan, yung jokes, it's fun sa set. Hindi lang work, pero may relationship din kami as family.
Final question, Kurt, from Jilly_.jrb. Ano yung reaction mo after mo nalaman na napili ka bilang AM Maniscas? Siguro, ito na rin yung time for you to clarify, to explain, na napakilala ka as Eman, and then ngayon Felix ka na sa MediaCon. What happened ba? Ano nangyari?
Nung naramdaman ko na pila ako Eman, syempre masaya ako kasi nakuha ako sa, naging part ako nitong series. So grateful kasi gusto ko din maging part nito. And I feel happy and proud of myself din naman. Nung napili akong Emma. Tapos nung sinabi sa akin na naging Felix ako, akala ko magka-cameo lang ako. Like akala ko mag-double lang ako. Yung parang kasing nakatalikod si Keegan, gano'n. Sabi ko, sige, pero ako pala si Felix na. Sabi ko, paano yun, ganyan. Pero medyo kinabahan din ako, pero greenine ko yung background niya, yung character niya. Talagang minadali ko kasi all this time from the start ang habang yung binigay sa aming time para aralin yung character namin, tapos ngayon biglang Felix kailangan kong talagang madaliin yung pag-aaral. So yeah, kinabahan ako and naging happy din naman ako at the same time. Maybe it's meant to be.
Yeah, tsaka tulong-tulong na rin kay Keegan kasi nagka-dengue si Keegan eh. So rather than mawala ng role si Keegan, switch na lang kay Felix. So mabait ka na kaibigan kay Keegan, in other words.
I help.
Ayan, after pa-make-upahan, walang nagbago. Fit. Wala lang, pero ang nag-video nito ay of course si Of course, now we have Rafa or Mika sa AMNSC, and first is from Kyra Gomez. Sino ang favorite character mo aside from Mika sa AMNSC?
Si JJ. Kasi si JJ natural lang yung kanyang character, pero palabay na kahit, alam mo yun, paanoin siya, palabasin siya sa Section E, pero siya go pa din. And paglalaban niya talaga pag alam niya tama siya.
Okay, ito naman very personal question from Lunchbox ni Arkin. Mahal ko o mahal ako?
Mahal ako.
Bakit?
Feel ko pag mas mahal ako, parang mas iingatan niya ako. Kasi pag minahal ko siya, tapos parang hindi, feel ko hindi pantay yung pagmamahal ko ako. Mas mahal ko siya.
So, sa mga Mika lovers, alam niyo na, Rafa, alam niyo na, mahal ako. Okay, Ross Mew _meow, what is your preparation for the role na gagampanan nyo, which is Mika?
Siyempre, binasa ko po yung book, si Mika sa Mutya ng Section E. And then, I prepare my health, my physical health, my mental health, and how to pronounce preparation din po. And sa script, dapat lagi kang ready kahit on the spot kasi si Direk minsan chini-ching script, you know, dahil may mga, yun din.
Parang nakakatakot, ano yun si Freya? Pwede bang i-interview ka, Freya? Natatakot ako. Okay lang. Baka masampal ako eh. Oo, nangangalmot sa likod. Anyway, I have some fun questions. Okay, this is interesting question from Russell _Ann_. Bago kayo na i-cast, like, sino ang pipiliin nyo na i-portray from ang Mukutya ng Section E?
Feeling ko Freya pa rin. I really like her character kasi may depth. She isn't just a mean girl na people see her to be sa book 1. Makikita nyo later on sa book 2 and book 3 na meron pala siyang backstory kaya siya naging ganon is na maltrato siya, she was taken advantage of, and gustong-gusto ko yung character ni Freya kasi she's a strong bitch, you know? You know, hindi lang siya basta bitch, she's a strong bitch. She went through a lot of stuff. So, yeah.
Please. Second question from SCH _CCOZ. Para sa lahat ng casto, ano ang similarities nyo ni Freya naman?
Feeling ko, ang similarities namin is we both stand up for ourselves and what we believe in. I think Freya just does it in a more intense version. Pero, ayun, I like to, you know, I'm very strong and very courageous with what I do, and I really like to be intentional with what I do. So, and din kami similar.
The last question from Nabi _Luna. Kasi nanonotice niya, parang lahat kayo ng cast, parang matagal nang magkakilala. Lahat ba kayo matagal nang nakakilala?
Actually, totoo. Like, kami ni Ashton and JJ and Calix, kami ni Ashton and Ethan, we've known each other since 2016. We go way, way back. Yung when we were first signed with Viva, we all attended the same workshop, we all attended the same training, character development, acting, and dancing and singing. So, and we're all really, and especially with the other cast, lahat kami, like, sa Viva kasi we're all a family talaga, kaya lahat kami magkaka-vibe talaga, tas lahat kami, iba yung bond, iba yung chemistry ng cast.
Okay, I'm with Michael Keith.
Hello, Direk.
Is Keith your surname?
It's my full first name. I have two first names, Michael and then Keith.
Okay, from JKTM _9704. Michael, I really admire your photography skills. And any good yet affordable camera recommendation?
Any digital that you can, kasi I think number one is just orchestrating the shot. Like, lahat ng mga shots na kinukuha ko sa set, like, halimbawa sila Ash and si Beatrice, nung unang post ko, with them two lang, I told them what to do, and then as long as you just start learning the angles, figure out lighting, exposure, and stuff like that, and then learn how to edit, whatever camera you get, kahit yung phone mo, it can work.
The second question from Brian _MXWay. Sino po ba yung, who's the mood maker sa mga ulupong?
Beatrice. No, seriously, I feel like, diba, we always get there first sa set, and then we're always down, and then he comes into our room, and he's like, musta? And he's like making sure, you know, we're all good. And we have a group chat then, just us boys in section E. Lahat siya nakaayan ng mag-basketball, maglabas, you know. So I feel like he's a really good, like he's literally our real life keeper. So
that's an interesting trivia. Okay, last question from Rain _ Ooh, what was your best experience so far? What's your best experience so far while shooting with the cast?
Yesterday's shoot was super fun because I think that was the first time where all of us were there in section A, section D, section E, and so just getting to
hang out with the girls. No.
Getting to hang out with everyone though, it's super fun. Mas lalo na some of us we've already worked together, and then some of us we've always known each other from, you know, working under Viva. Getting to do this project together is super fun, and man, you can't compare any moment because each one's so different, but it's so unique.
Ask them to stream your song.
Oh yeah, make sure to stream all my music. You can search it on Spotify, Apple Music, Michael Keith. All my singles are there under Viva Records. And then also I have to promote then me, Ethan David, Charles Law, and Derek Ong are in a brand new P-pop boy group. It's releasing suits called GAT, G-A-T, stands for Gawang Atin To. So
what's the meaning of GAT?
Gawang Atin To.
Gawang Atin To.
And then parang yung old term na GAT San Jose Rizal, sir.
Yes.
So super
nice.
Filipino coded.
Can't wait to see you dance and sing.
Oh, Jay's Warriors.
Derek, dito ka na, kasama ka na.
What question is that?
Question daw sa mga ulopongs, if from your tired moon, if kayo ang gaganap na Yuri Hana Michi, magdadalawang isip ka ba na magpapakulay ng buhok?
Hindi. Kasi for me, ano siya, it will be a big part of my memories in the future na I did this role, I did this art, directing all the cast. I had red hair. It's an experience for me.
Actually, for me, that's a hard question. Siguro mag-second guess ako, pero kukunin ko pa din. Pero iisipin ko muna, oh no, magdadry yung buko, gano'n. Hindi,
that is the most easy.
My hair now, I like my hair now. Parang before kasi, ang dami kong ginawa sa hair. After like 3 years, bago siya maging healthy ulit. Kaya na-stress ako doon. So. Bakit sa akin mo sinasabi? Sorry, Freya.
Ito nahihirapan si Ethan sa question.
Meron kasi siya sabi niya, tapos ako naman yung Anyway, thank you, Derek.
Okay, second question. Ano po, Ethan? Itong question from Jayo _Angeles.
Okay.
How can you relate to your character sa personal life?
Wow.
Siyempre si Blaster.
Blaster muna kasi
si Blaster kasi singer. Yan. Hindi lang talaga natuloy yung life ko na maging musician. Pero pinupulfill ko siya ngayon. Sana.
Yeah, because we're part of a boy band, God!
True!
Yeah!
Paul!
Ako, hindi ako masyado nakaka-relate.
Bakit parang nung
Parang hirap.
Good boy kasi ako siya, playboy siya. Actually, mabait naman si Calix. Kaso
pero yung character ngayon ni Calix na na parang he's regretting things and then trying.
Ganun ba siya talaga? Ganun ba yun?
Relate ka kasi sensitive sensitive side ni Calix.
Sensitive side.
Gusto ko yung ako talaga sumagot.
Talaga. So, I think nakaka-relate ako dun sa mabait na side niya.
Saka pa nakaka-relate?
Sige na nga. Okay, sige, ito. From last now, if _CSHSHYR, if you were given the chance to switch characters with any other Ulupongs, who would you be?
Ako muna. I've said this from the start. Sabi ko nung nag-audition ako, tinitingnan ko direct yung sabi niya yung mentions in book 1, book 2, and 3, yung ganun yung character. So pinili ko si David. Kasi hindi ko rin kaya si Kiefer, hindi ko kaya si Yuri. Kay David kasi green flag din siya and everything, and I feel like I could do that character.
Saka maraming exposure na.
Yun talaga inisip ko.
Ethan David.
Ako, feeling ko si Edrix. Kasi yun yung pinaka similar or related ako.
Gamer ka ba?
Sakto lang po. ML, ganyan. ML.
Eto, Pogi. Uy.
Ask kita questions, Char.
Tuloy.
Bago kayo mag-gut. Sayang naman sa mga fans mo yung ganyang ano.
Whoa, flex on them, baby.
Okay, from Charles. Okay, thank you, Charles.
Pasok.
From _JKTM97044, Charles. Ano? Naku, sa bata pati ng ano ang ideal type mo?